Hello, board members. My name is Melissa Davidson, and I'm here today to talk to you about the progress Welkin Drone Incorporated has made over the past 7 years. The vision at Welkin Drone Incorporated is to be committed to making an environmentally safe contribution to the camera and unmanned aerial vehicle industry with the use of the most technological advances in the industry. Our loyal and extremely driven team aims to provide consumers and the community with superior products of the highest standard. Welkin Drone Incorporated hopes to maintain public safety and confidence by means of new scientific knowledge when producing new and updated versions of our products. Welkin Drone Incorporated is determined to evolve our products with the fast and changing times and to produce the most effective and efficient means of success for the company and our products. Welkin Drone Incorporated's team and members strive to be a part of the company drone effect, which is to drone to a better future. The managers of Welkin Drone Incorporated add global value by being dedicated to making a significant contribution to the AC camera and UAV drone market on a global level. As a premier competitor in the industry, we will continue to offer maximum value to consumers and shareholders. Consumer value is represented by our below-average market pricing, sales promotions, and performance ratings. Shareholder value is accomplished by responsibility, profitability, and maintaining rewarding dividends. As you can see, Welkin Drone Incorporated has increased its market share significantly in the past 7 years. The market share in the AC cameras has increased 4.7% in North America, 5.6% in Latin America, 5.5% in the Europe-African region, and a remarkable 8% in the Asia-Pacific region. More impressively, over the past 7 years, the UAV drone market share in all 4 regions has increased between 7.2 and 8.4%. The increase in market share percentages is just a confirmation of our company's ability to provide value to the consumer and to add value for our shareholders. The management team at Welkin Drone Incorporated was able to maintain profitability by overseeing strategic efforts in operating, financial, and performance sectors. The company's life-to-date net revenues has increased over 296%. The management team at Welkin Drone Incorporated strives to pursue next-generation technology through innovation and guided principles. In an effort to provide long-term value for our investors and surpass their expectations, we intend to provide affordable cutting-edge technology while maintaining a strong financial condition and image. As a result of concentrated efforts in innovation, strategy, and image, our long-term investors have experienced a steady increase in Welkin Drone Incorporated's earnings per share. More specifically, our company has been able to offer long-term investors an $8.39 earning per share increase in 7 years. This shows our investors they can continue to expect high portions of our company's earnings. Welkin Drone Incorporated was successfully able to continuously increase retained earnings, including a positive change of $157,288 last year. The return on equity of 63.20% was more than twice the amount of the investors' expectations. Welkin Drone Incorporated has $474,926 in assets and maintains a low-risk financial strategy without raising debt levels. I'm going to turn the floor over now to Dawn Foley, who is going to speak to you a little bit about the stocks, image, and the strategy behind Welkin Drone Incorporated. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Ms. Davidson and distinguished stockholders. Welkin Drone Incorporated has not only respectfully surpassed investors' expectations year after year, it has been a true leader in the industry. Since existence, our company's stock prices have risen on a consistent and impressive scale. Investors can be pleased with the current value, which sextupled in the past 7 years. In addition, The importance of our investors has been and will continue to be expressed in our dividend increases. Welkin Drone Incorporated knows that credit rating is a vital source to success in a business. In our company's first year, we met investors' expectations of average credit ratings. Our company will continue to aim for an above-average credit rating to aid in future investments and loans. Welkin Drone Incorporated understands maintaining a positive standing in the business sector requires a strong credit rating for investors' considerations. Welkin Drone Incorporated realizes brand reputation is of utmost importance in developing a positive strategic direction. Our management team intends to continue concentrations in market share, PQ ratings, and corporate citizenship. Our business managers are very serious about making social responsible decisions. In the interest of our image and our stockholders, we aim to meet all legal, ethical, and economic responsibilities. Welkin Drone Incorporated strives to reach goals and targets on a day-to-day basis in the interest of our investors. Welkin Drone Incorporated targets are important aspects in fueling our success, continuing specific goals, sustaining determination, and maintaining ratings throughout the competitive district. Our company performance targets such as EPS, stock price, ROE, and image rating have greatly increased throughout the years. Yet still, Welkin Drone Incorporated is determined to further increase our currently strong performance ratings. Welkin Drone Incorporated action capture camera strategy includes keeping prices lower than average, marketing efforts above average, PQ above average, workers' benefits above average, and maintaining high image rating. Welkin Drone Incorporated aims to continue our positive market share by focusing funds on advertising budget, retailer support, and participation in special contracts. While our goal is to maintain lower operating and administrative costs, our company believes giving employees benefits results in employee satisfaction and better production rates. As a result, we offer a quality product we can stand by. Welkin Drone Incorporated UAV drone strategy includes keeping prices below average, workers' benefits above average, PQ above average, marketing efforts above average, and again maintaining a high image rating. Welkin Drone Incorporated will continue its success by focusing on affordability, performance, and image. Affordability is achieved in the same manner of our ACC strategy, which is keeping our operating costs at a minimum without sacrificing the income of our hardworking and loyal employees. The concentration of funds in labor and marketing enables a stronger workforce and an ample marketplace. This profit-producing strategy, along with image rating, will satisfy our stockholders. I will now proceed to hand over the presentation to Kylie Borick, who will discuss our production strategies.
Welkin Drone Incorporated strategies are very important to the company. Welkin Drone Incorporated ranked high above the industry average for workstations. Although we had more workstations, we still produced more product than the industry average and still proceeded to make our performance targets and goals. Our action cameras installed workstations started at 320 in year 6 and increased to 460 by year 12. Our drones installed workstations started at 120 in year 6 and increased to 260 in year 12. As a company, Welkin Drone tends to have more success with more workstations. Welkin Drone has noticed that with a raise in workstations, the productivity level is advanced if associates are available and on board. Productivity is key for our business. Welkin Drone plans on finding and maintaining a solid amount in workstations to help hold the strong capability of many workstations to produce more product to satisfy our investors, our partner companies, and customers' needs in the action camera and drone market. Welkin Drone Incorporated labor and workforce production strategy has definitely fluctuated. In the action camera total wages, Welkin has stayed positive and well above industry average. Wages has increased excessively from year 6 to year 12, and Welkin hopes to continue the amount of increase as the years go on. In drone total wages, Welkin realized the company has been well below industry average from year 9 to year 12. This is a fluctuation from year 6 to year 9. Welkin Drone plans on making changes in the future to help the total wages of the drone production and workforce increase to be at least equal to industry average. Welkin Drone Incorporated realizes by the labor and drone workforce being average to the industry average, Welkin will achieve goals of increase in income, decrease in debt, and increase in overall work and productivity. As results to this, Welkin Drone Incorporated also plans to maintain a level where employees are satisfied with the right pay, benefits, and other job qualities that the company has to offer. Welkin Drone Incorporated has had many ups and downs through the past 7 years when it came to our financial strategies. Welkin Drone wanted to highlight our annual dividend and our payout. Welkin Drone Incorporated has found that at the beginning of year 6, our dividend per share was about 1 per share, and then from year 7 to year 8, it drastically decreased to 0.5 per share. As the company excelled through the next few years, Welkin Drone Incorporated found a happy medium in annual dividends per share at which the value was between 0.5 and 0.6 per share. Maintaining a constant value helped Welkin Drone in our payouts. As the last 7 years passed, Welkin maintained to decrease the amount of payout that came out of our net profit from about 68% down to 8%. Welkin's payouts were aspects of dividends and the share buybacks, but Welkin has increasingly been paying less out to investors than at the time of start of the business. Since Welkin Drone's payout has maintained a low level, it allowed for more income into the business to keep the earnings at a higher point. Welkin strives to keep this strategy to continue to satisfy investors enough, but also keep the business on its feet. Debt to equity ratio is a ratio that is used to measure our company's financial leverage. Welkin Drone hit an equal in debt to equity ratio about halfway through year 9, which was about at 50%. In the beginning of Welkin's business, the debt was higher than the equity by about 20%. By year 12, the equity was higher than the company's debt by about 26%. As a startup business, Welkin Drone Incorporated was determined to minimize all or most of our debt. Welkin managed to minimize debt by retaining more earnings, lowering prices, and being competitive in the market. Welkin Drone Incorporated wants to keep maintaining a decent debt-to-equity ratio of a difference between 10% to 20%. Therefore, this is verifying the company is making enough of cash and is also taking advantage of Welkin Drone Incorporated's increased profits. Our overall competition was very competitive in our industry. Although Welkin Drone Incorporated ranked high in our industry, we had 3 major competitors. The competitors always challenging our company was Goldhawks, Double A Team, and Anthracite Drones. Goldhawks was our leading competitor. They always gave Welkin Drone Incorporated a run for their money when it came to competitive low prices and competitive high budget marketing with high marketing skills. In most categories, Welkin Drone Incorporated and Goldhawks were only about 2% to 7% apart in competition in our profit, EPS, row, stocks, credit rating, and image ratings. AA team and anthracite drones had high profitability in years 10 to 12, which allowed for them to rank close to our company in industry standings. This industry of action cameras and drone is a competitive and pricey market that any results can fluctuate at any time. Welkin Drone Incorporated held their heads high and tried to meet industry average every year to maintain a competitive atmosphere in the business, but also to satisfy customers and investors enough to buy our company's products. Welkin Drone has many plans for the future. Some of our future actions include to continue monitoring the competition, boost our marketing efforts, keep prices lower than average, slowly increase the quality of our products, and aim to increase dividends for our investors. By following out all of these future actions, Welkin Drone may even rank higher in our industry. We may advance to different levels. Welkin Drone Incorporated has learned many lessons from these past 7 years. We have learned that our workers are an important aspect of our company and must be well compensated. If our workers don't like our time off, our hours, our pay, our benefits, and our packages, they may be driven away from the company in the future. We have also learned that purchasing backstock is extremely important, and knowing what the competitors' prices, warranties, PQ ratings, models, and etc. are will help with management decision making. Our search engine advertising is vital in the global marketplace, and we've learned this because it just helps our online sales and our market in the internet and around the world. Consumers value pricing, and PQ ratings is very important to many companies, and we also have learned that image ratings are an essential part of management responsibility. Image ratings are an essential part of our management responsibility because it also helps our company's credit rating, and it helps our company sell our products a lot better if our image ratings are a lot higher than those in the competitive market. Image ratings help our products sell better to not just only our investors, but also other partner companies and also other consumers. Welkin Drone Incorporated plans to keep reaching for the stars and achieving targets, goals, and awards throughout our competitive industry. Welkin Drone Incorporated wants to keep satisfying investors, our company itself, and the customers we are in the market to, especially also satisfying our employees. Welkin Drone Incorporated wants to take you further than you've dreamed possible by droning to a better future. Melissa, Dawn, and I would like to thank the audience for their time, and if there are any questions, we will be happy to answer them now. Thank you.